is now the best time to grab the Nvidia GeForce RTX 570 Ti with its record low price. The Nvidia GeForce RTX 570 Ti is making waves in the graphics card market with its recent price drop. This GPU has been a favorite among gamers and tech enthusiasts alike, and its new price point is drawing a lot of attention. High GPU prices have been a major pain point for gamers, making it tough to upgrade or build a new gaming rig. When you're shelling out big bucks for a graphics card, you want to make sure you're getting the performance you need. For many, the high cost has meant putting off upgrades or settling for less powerful hardware. But affordability isn't just about personal budgets. It also impacts who can participate in the gaming community. When prices are too high, it limits access to gaming technology, making it harder for new players to join in. This can stifle innovation and growth in the gaming industry as a whole. The cost of GPUs can be a barrier to entry for gamers who are just starting out or looking to upgrade. When you're on a tight budget, it's hard to justify spending hundreds of dollars on a graphics card. And it's not just about the initial cost. It's also about the long-term value. The RTX 570 Ti boasts impressive performance benchmarks, with significant improvements over its predecessors. Its unique technology, like ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics, sets it apart from the competition. Compared to previous models, the RTX 5070 Ti offers a substantial leap in performance and features. One of the standout features of the RTX 5070 Ti is its ability to handle demanding games at high resolutions. It's also equipped with Nvidia's latest tech, including improved power management and enhanced cooling. These features make it an attractive option for gamers who want top-notch performance without breaking the bank. In terms of competition, the RTX 5070 Ti stacks up well against other high-end GPUs on the market. Its performance is on par with, if not surpassing, some of its closest rivals. And with its robust feature set, it's clear that Nvidia has put a lot of thought into making this GPU a top contender. So, what's the damage? The RTX 5070 Ti has hit a record low price, making it more accessible to gamers than ever before. This price drop is significant because it puts a high-performance GPU within reach of more people. The record low price of the RTX 5070 Ti changes the game for gamers looking to upgrade. With its impressive performance and features, it's hard to find a better value on the market. This price point makes it an attractive option for both new and experienced gamers. In summary, the Nvidia GeForce RTX 5070 Ti offers incredible value at its record low price. Its performance, features, and price make it a strong choice for gamers. What do you think about the RTX 5070 Ti at this price point? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more tech reviews and insights, be sure to check out my other videos.